Hi friends, you know the real cause of grey hair is reduced catalase enzyme activity and malfunctioning of melanin production in the hair follicles. We are going to look at a natural remedy that aims at correcting both these. This is a special formula spray which is completely water based, no alcohol and no oil. This just requires 3 common ingredients and it is super easy to make. It is even easier to use and you can use it anywhere at any time. This works for all hair types and even on the color treated hair. Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow. Without wasting much time, let's see how to make this natural, simple, homemade hairspray to treat grey hair. To make this spray, you need dried sage leaves. You can find them in grocery store or online. You can also use whole sage leaves. Fenugreek seeds or Methi seeds. You can find them in the Indian stores and Asian stores. Fresh curry leaves. You can easily get them in Asian fresh markets. All these 3 ingredients are very important. I will explain in detail towards the end of the video what makes these ingredients special in treating the grey hair. Take 3 cups of distilled water into a saucepan or a steel bowl. You can also use fresh water if you don't have distilled water, but using distilled water increases the shelf life of our spray. Now to this, add 1/3 cup of fenugreek seeds, also called as Methi seeds. You need to soak them for 30 minutes or 1 hour. While the seeds are soaking, let's prepare sage tea bags. Take 2 green tea bags, cut them open and throw away the tea powder in that. We just need the empty bags as shown. Take 1 teaspoon of sage leaves and add half and half in both the bags. Sage leaves have a pleasant aroma that gives our spray a nice natural fragrance. Close these bags with the help of a stapler. Now we have prepared our own sage tea bags. After 1 hour of soaking, the fenugreek seeds became slightly soft. Now take the saucepan and put it on a low flame. Boil this water on a low flame just for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup of curry leaves and toss in our prepared sage tea bags. Carefully dip the sage bags into the water. Make sure you don't damage the bags, otherwise it will be difficult to filter the contents later. Now boil on a really low flame for another 5 minutes. You should use really low flame. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame, let it cool down. If you think the liquid is very thick, you can add little water to this so that we can use it easily in a spray bottle. Now strain this and collect just the water into a glass jar. That's all, our grey hair treatment is ready. You can store this in fridge and it remains fresh up to 1 month. Whenever you need, take it into a continuous spray bottle like this. Continuous spray bottle gives you more control on the amount of liquid you spray. You can also use a normal spray bottle. You have to give just 1 or 2 sprays on the hair. Do this every 2 hours. You can carry this in your bag and take it wherever you go. If you cannot do this every 2 hours, try to spray at least 5 times throughout the day. To use on beard and mustache, don't use spray bottle. Just wet your beard and mustache with this liquid. The sage leaves used in this spray gradually tints your grey hair to blend with the natural color. Besides that, it also stimulates new hair production and adds fragrance to our spray. Fenugreek seeds are traditionally used in Ayurvedic grey hair remedies. It activates catalase enzyme activity which prevents premature graying of hair and helps in reversing the grey hair from the roots. Curry leaves stimulate melanin production in the hair follicles to prevent further graying of hair. It is rich in several nutrients that restores hair color along with hair growth benefits. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.